Hey guys, what's up? Airpods are one of the most successful Apple products, but I don't want you to buy them right now. Here's why. So we were hoping to see AirPods first in Apple's September event, but they were not mentioned on stage. Also on recent October event, there was no mention of the AirPods. But hold on guys, there has been a new report according to Mac Rumors, and the new AirPods have been added to the Bluetooth Special Interest Group database. The model number is shown as A2031 and A2032. Also there is a new hardware number which is 1.1 for the new AirPods. Other than that, it is now confirmed that the new AirPods will certainly have Bluetooth 5.0. The last AirPods were added in the database on November 2016 and they appeared in the market 1 month later. So going by that time frame, the new AirPods should be released in December next month. I have already done a leaks video from Apple which I will link in the description, be sure to check that. But according to new reports, AirPods will also have a lot of health functionality and features and could have embedded biometric sensors. This makes me really excited about the new AirPods. So what do you guys think? And which features you want the most in the new AirPods? Please let me know in the comments. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more news on Apple. This is your Tech Panda guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.